I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus glove box. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small, triangular side panel located on the right side of the glove box. This panel usually pops off with a little careful leverage. Once it's removed, you'll find the first T20 Torx screw that needs to be unscrewed. Next, fully open your glove box door. Look along the upper edge of the glove box opening. You should see two more T20 Torx screws. These are typically quite visible once the door is down. Use your T20 Torx bit to carefully remove both of these screws. Keep all removed screws in a safe place so they don't get lost during the process. Now for the trickier part. Locate the final two T20 Torx screws in the passenger footwell underneath the glove box. You might need to remove a small felt cover to access them. These can be a bit awkward to reach, so take your time. Once all 5 screws are out, gently pull the entire glove box assembly straight out. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, like for the glove box light, before fully removing it. To reinstall your glove box, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect any electrical wires you detached. Carefully align the glove box back into its opening, ensuring all tabs and mounting points are correctly seated. Then, secure it by reinserting and tightening all 5 T20 Torx screws. Finally, snap the side panel back into place. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.